Hello everyone, we are the student of Mechanical Engineering Department, VSM SRKIT, Nippon. This video is meant to express our gratitude toward our beloved teachers and friendly teachers.
The whole world is fighting against COVID-19 pandemic. So many superheroes are trying their best level to protect us.
Behind the scenes, there are some heroes like our teachers putting lots of effort in making us comfortable with study by sending videos, notes and study material during this lockdown.
Dear teachers, you are the real heroes to us because you are supporting like our parents in all endeavor of our life.
But one thing we should remind you that we are facing some problems in analytical subject due to e-learning.
Rural students has a problem of network, because of which difficult to watch the videos and upload the answer script.
Also, we feel proud to be a part of VSM SRKIT family.
And now we take this opportunity to thank our management, principal, CEO, HOD, teaching and non-teaching staff.
And we also salute every superhero who is fighting against Corona. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
It's been a long time since we visited our college campus. Hello everyone, I am Rafyananda from final year CSE department, VSM's Institute of Technology Nippani. As you all know, the whole world is facing the huge issue of COVID-19. This pandemic has brought many challenges to the humans, to the societies and also to the educational system. The main issue faced by we, the students, is the completion of our academics. The studies and all the further activities were stopped due to this lockdown, but our college made sure that we didn't stop here. It provided us all the facilities, it gave us all the materials so that we can study sitting at the home. I'm very much thankful to the staff, to the management for helping us so much. The main issue we, the final students, had is the placement. We thought we missed all the placement drives and also the job opportunities. But no, our college made sure we didn't miss it. It conducted online aptitudes, it conducted online face-to-face interviews with the companies through which many of them among us got placed, and we are happy for that. And we sincerely thank our management and staff and all the VSM SRK Institute for helping us and supporting us during this pandemic. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Prashant Ramesh Sawant. I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department, VSM SRKIT. First of all, I would like to speak about project phase, which our staff members provided us the opportunity to provide it in virtually, which experienced or which benefited us to improve our communication skill and to interact with people virtually. Secondly, I would like to speak about the internship programs which our college provided us the opportunity to complete it in this COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period. The following companies in which we did our internship was Fuel, and as well as to improve our programming skills, our staff members helped us with the YouTube videos as well as to complete our portions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Divya K. Sarkar, a final year student from Computer Science Department of VSM SRKIT Nippani. As we know that the entire world is facing the serious crisis of corona pandemic. So to avoid the spreading of this disease, we are performing or practicing the social distancing rule by staying at our home. During this lockdown period, to avoid the academic losses of the student, our institute, that is VSM SRKIT, has been taken so many initiatives. Our professors are conducting online lectures on various platforms and also guiding us to use this quarantine period for the studies as well as self-improvement. Being a final year student, the technical seminar is the important part of our academics. So for this purpose, our institute has been conducting online seminar sessions for us with our respective guides. These online seminar sessions were conducted on a video conferencing application and were told us to record this session for the future references. We are regularly guided by our professors as well as the respective guides with the required information. This was really a great experience and a useful experience, and as well as we did not face any problems during our online seminar sessions. I would like to thank the institute, the professors who are taking efforts for us. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
I remember when I was leaving college in March, I was expecting another beautiful day in my college. But unfortunately, this could not happen. My name is Soumya Patil, student of 6th semester, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, VSM Somashikar at Kochivali, Institute of Technology, Nippon. I am really glad my college is taking such a sweeping initiative towards implementation of online classes. Our college always ambulances with new experiences, and I feel new experiences with YouTube videos and Google Classroom are really best for both teachers and students. They create an environment which takes us back to our original classes. I heartfully respect and bow down to my teachers for their endless efforts in explanations and demonstrations. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hello friends, myself Ankita Rupare. I am the student of VSM SRKIT College Nippani from 6M CSE. So our VSM Institute is supporting to the global health community's work to keep the mankind safe and informed during the COVID-19 health crisis. So we know that coronavirus pandemic has scored the importance of internet connectivity and the learning is a continuous process. So our college is successfully conducted the online internal exams, also evaluated the papers and given the result to us. So they are also providing the notes, giving the assignments. So I heartily thank to all the faculties of USM SRKIT College. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home.
Even in this critical situation during the lockdown, our faculties of USM SRK have tried their best by taking online classes and sending effective videos which were easily understood by us. They tried their best until each and every student was satisfied by the concept. They understood the problematic situations of the students, and instead of ignoring it or being strictly towards us, they gave the better solution. In this lockdown, our college has created an awareness of COVID-19 by conducting online Rangoli and drawing competitions. This was the good experience at home. And I proudly say that I am the student of VSM SRKIT.
Hello guys, I am a student of VSM SRKIT College Nippani from Computer Science and Engineering branch. At present situation, whole world is fighting against a novel coronavirus. Due to this pandemic COVID-19, we all are locked in our home. All colleges are also closed. At this situation also, our teachers putting a lots of efforts to teach us. They are making the YouTube videos, they are preparing the notes for us and sending the notes through online apps. And also they are conducting the exams through online. If we have any doubts about notes and how to write the exam, if any time we call them, they will clear all the doubts. When 60 students are together in one class, it is easy to teach, it is easy to clear the doubts. But when 60 students are at a different places, it is somewhat difficult. But then also our teachers considered it as a challenge and trying to reach all the students through other online apps. Daily they are in contact with students through WhatsApp group, Google Classroom, etc. Daily they are updating the exam dates and also they are giving advice how to study the notes, how to prepare for the exam and how to write the exam and all. I am so proud to having such an amazing teaching staff. Big salute to our teachers for their efforts towards teaching students. So friends, whatever the notes, whatever the videos sending by our teacher, we will prepare them well, and whatever the advice given by our teachers, we will strictly follow them and we will put our 100% efforts to success our teachers' efforts. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I am Pooja Biradar. I am also VSMIT family. I hope all safe in home. So today I am speaking about online classes during COVID-19 situation. First, I proudly say to hands up to VSMIT faculty because online classes are really helpful understand during COVID-19 situation. We communicated easily with our faculty, learned each subject, submitted every assignment easily.
Hi friends, I am Rashmi Kamath from first year CSE department. As we all know, corona crisis disturbed the whole world and affect each and every sector. When it comes to students, we are also affected with our studies and academics. When the lockdown was announced, with few days, our faculty provide timetable and conduct online classes. In this current situation, it was very difficult for the completion of syllabus, but due to the online classes, it becomes very easier. Faculty created department-wise YouTube channels and conduct IS, final year, pre-final, project phase, seminars, internship presentation, online NSS activities. This is the best platform to avoid our educational losses, and that's why I want to thanks to the faculty of VSMSRKIT. I am very grateful to work of faculties encouraging and support during in these critical days. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.
Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it.
A very good vibes to all. We are the students of VSM Somsekhar R. Kotiwale Institute of Technology, Nippani from the Department of Civil Engineering.
Today I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words.
As we all know, the world is fighting against the COVID-19.
This situation, it is our responsibility to stay safe at home and use the necessary precautions to avoid the COVID-19.
In this lockdown period, our NSS staff has helped the needy people.
The college staff helped to the sanitizing the college and the surroundings.
Principal and all the staff initiated a program for avoiding the pandemic through the videos and photos promoting self-awareness from COVID-19.
As we all know, school colleges are being closed due to COVID-19.
We can't attend the classes, so our professors have created an opportunity to study through online by sending notes and videos in WhatsApp, YouTube, etc.
We also have taken out our project phase, seminar phase and internship phase through a Skype app.
They are well supportive in every aspects like completing of seminar, internship and projects.
Internal assessment and presentation conducted by the online platform.
Our college is taking care of every student by calling them personally and asking about their health.
During this lockdown period, our college is organizing events to children like drawing, rangoli, poster presentation, quiz, webinar.
At the last, we are proud to be the student of VSM Somsekhar R. Kotiwale Institute of Technology. So, be happy, stay safe and stay at home.
Hello friends, we the student of VSM SRKIT Nippani from the Department of Electronic and Communication. We heartily thank to our principal sir, HOD sir, our staff members and also VSM SRKIT family. Because we all know that the world is fighting against pandemic called COVID-19.
Our great COVID soldiers like doctors, nurses, clinic staffs, police are doing incredible jobs to make nation COVID free.
We salute them and help the nation by staying at home and taking the necessary precautions as per the guidelines of government.
We'll take the precautions like using mask, sanitizer and also make use of physical distances and wash your hands frequently.
On the other hand, we all are worried about economy as well as future of the students. But we students and our parents of VSM SRKIT are luckier in the way.
Our faculty taking lot of efforts in digital teaching, making it more effective. We are really blessed. We are studying in VSM SRKIT and
We don't have a difference between college and home because in college also we have parents like us staff, and thank you so much for providing us notes, online teachers, and thank you so much for giving your precious time
your knowledge, creativity, and thank you so much for fun. Same always enjoy having you as a teacher.
We really enjoyed every minute of your online lectures. And you are a very kind person, helpful, and truly care about your profession and our students.
Words are powerless to express my gratitude. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart for ever letting us down. My gratitude to you for all have done, which we'll never forget.
We are very proud to be say we are VSM SRK IT family members. Thank you once again. Stay at home and stay safe.
My dear students and parents, I am Dr. KB Jagdish Koda, the principal of VSM's SR Kotiwale Institute of Technology, Nippani. Today I am going to address regarding off-classroom teaching, the students using various tools which are within their reach. Hope my talk today will address your queries and make you stress-free. Considering the difficult time when the entire world is facing with novel COVID-19 pandemic, it is joint responsibility of all stakeholders to manage multiple key issues related to academic activities. The focus of parents should not be only on keeping their wards engaged and motivate them to keep learning, but also to keep them happy and focus on their mental well-being among rising anxiety and isolation. It is also important to get back to work or a classroom so that one does not get stressed about the virus all the time and have something constructive to do. Future may be burdened with many uncertainties, but one must be optimistic that we can, in fact, reinvent work and engage ourselves in a more effective and sustainable way. During this lockdown period, many students and their parents are worrying about the academic activity and examination. Our institute, VSM's SR Kotiwale Institute of Technology, Nippani, has promoted teaching online for our students using digital assets like videos, online courses, e-notes, and so on, since from the first phase of lockdown period and still going on. As the head of the institution, I appeal all my students and parents that so don't worry about the loss of academic, conducting internal assessment and end semester examination. We are strictly following and adopting the circulars and notifications updated or issued by VTU and AICTE time to time, and planning accordingly to complete the term work and prepare our students ready to face examination